copy of my first published book named Wagtail.
This is the book. The publisher sent only one copy because I ordered one copy. And the plants are very important for us, not this book. First, I want to tell you that all the work of formatting, designing, cover, and pictures done by myself. That's why this book published by Express Publishing under Notion page. And this is the first page of my book, and I think you wanna like this. And if you talk about the page quality, it's creamy white, and the page quality is 70 GSM, I think. If I talk about the cover of this book, it is matte, not glossy, because the pic looks good in matte, not in any other signing format. It is composed of almost 35 poems, and you can see the index.
You can order this book online from Notion Press and Amazon. Price of book is 165 rupees, and if you order from Notion Press, you can probably get some discount, and you can contact me